The article titled Distributions to Underage or Incapacitated Beneficiaries is really one of the most remarkable articles. And so many of my clients will restate their trusts that they do with other individuals just because of the amazing provisions in this article. Brings great flexibility to your documents and wonderful backup plans so that if something happens that you can't foresee in the lives of your loved ones, the trust addresses it. So this is if a child predeceases you and suddenly you have grandchildren who are inheriting, well, they're probably going to be underage. That means we don't want them receiving their portion when they're just 18. This says what underage means. So notice the age that is mentioned. Normally my default is 25. Some people prefer 27. Some people have said 30. My default is 25. So if you wanted something other than 25, please check that out. Make sure that it is that number. And this is also something that takes care of the contingency if you have a special needs beneficiary, someone who is on disability or on Social Security disability, and it has a means-based test that they can't have more than $2,000 in the bank account, that they will actually be disqualified for their benefits if they inherit from you. And we don't want that to happen. We want this trust, this portion of the trust allows the trustee to be able to put their inheritance into a supplemental needs trust that will supplement and not supplant their benefits. That's the entire purpose of that trust. It's very powerful. It's very protective. And this is a backup. It's not ideal if you already have a beneficiary that you know is in this situation. We need to do some special work specifically for them, and that's will be addressed in their descendants' trust. But this is a backup provision, so at least we have the tools to be allowed to create what needs to be created if that becomes important. So that is our distributions to underage and incapacitated beneficiaries. You can check out that article, and there's not much change that we do to that one besides maybe adjust what underage is determined. So there's not anything that's hand drafted in there. Okay.